Introduction. Welcome to today's session. Our focus is on understanding the importance of organizational policies and procedures. In any organization, policies and procedures serve as the backbone of daily operations, guiding how tasks are carried out and decisions are made. They are crucial because they ensure efficiency by providing clear instructions, promote ethical conduct by setting standards of behavior, and maintain compliance with legal and regulatory requirements. By exploring these elements, we will see how well-designed policies and procedures contribute to a smooth-running, successful, and sustainable organization. Uniformity through policies ensures all employees work towards common goals. Standardized processes make outcomes predictable. For instance, a customer service policy ensures uniform complaint handling. This consistency builds trust with customers. Predictability reduces internal and external uncertainties. Policies help avoid legal issues by ensuring compliance with laws. Regular updates keep organizations aligned with changing regulations. For example, data protection policies follow GDPR standards. This prevents hefty fines from non-compliance. Staying compliant secures the organization's reputation. Policies identify risks and establish controls to mitigate them. Clear procedures guide effective crisis management. An IT security policy, for instance, helps manage data breaches swiftly. This minimizes damage and protects sensitive information. Risk management ensures organizational resilience. Policies promote ethics and set the tone for behavior. They guide decision-making aligned with organizational values. Anti-harassment policies build trust and a positive culture. A code of conduct outlines acceptable behaviors. This fosters a respectful and inclusive environment. Procedures streamline operations with clear task instructions. They provide benchmarks for performance measurement. A procurement policy ensures cost-effective purchasing. This reduces unnecessary spending and aligns with company standards. Efficiency improves overall organizational performance. Clear policies are vital for onboarding new employees. They help in understanding roles and responsibilities quickly. Regular updates offer continuous learning for current staff. An employee handbook is a key training resource. Ongoing learning keeps employees informed of best practices. Policies establish a framework for managing security. They define roles and responsibilities for accountability. In-house computer use rules prevent IT resource misuse. Standards ensure consistent security practices. This reduces risks of breaches from inconsistent actions. Policies ensure GDPR compliance in data handling. They protect individual privacy and avoid legal penalties. Standardized procedures secure data encryption and access controls. This ensures robust data management practices. Secure data management is crucial for organizational integrity. Role-based access policies define data access levels. They ensure employees access only necessary data. Consistent procedures for access modification are vital. This reduces risks of unauthorized access. Access control is key to data security. Policies protect data at rest, in transit, and in processing. Encryption and physical security safeguards stored data. Secure transmission policies protect moving data. Processing policies ensure data security during use. Comprehensive data security is essential for trust. Policies define acceptable use and content guidelines. Security measures ensure message integrity and confidentiality. Standardized procedures protect against phishing and data leaks. Secure communication channels are vital. Messaging policies safeguard organizational communications. Policies guide IT systems and user activity monitoring. They define incident response procedures. Compliance with legal requirements is ensured through standardized monitoring. Quick identification and addressing of breaches are facilitated. Monitoring is crucial for security maintenance. Secure access policies define remote work protocols. Standardized procedures ensure consistent remote security. Server management policies cover patching and configuration. They protect against vulnerabilities and unauthorized access. Secure servers maintain service integrity. Organizational policies and procedures are foundational. They ensure consistency, compliance, and risk management. By investing in robust policies, organizations enhance stability and performance. This contributes to long-term success and integrity. A structured approach ensures ethical and effective operations. In conclusion, the impact of standardized policies is multifaceted. They provide significant benefits, including increased efficiency, cost savings, and enhanced regulatory compliance. However, challenges such as high initial implementation costs and employee resistance can hinder their effectiveness. Successful adoption requires careful planning, clear communication, and active engagement of employees to ensure smooth transitions and long-term sustainability. Feel free to reach out on WhatsApp at 074-84361-688 if you have questions. Our team will be delighted to help. Thank you, and see you at the next session.